Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I'm Lauren. In today's video, I have two handbags to unbox with you, both of which are under $300. You know I love a good deal, so if I can find an amazing bag at a great price point, I get really excited to share with you. And I think both of them are very appropriate for fall. They are from 24S. I am working with 24S on this video. If you aren't familiar with them, they are a Paris-based company, but lucky for us, we're able to shop the site. They offer over 300 fashion and beauty brands, ranging from a lot of the luxury prestige houses to a lot of emerging designers. They are also part of the LVMH group, which means that they are an authorized reseller of Louis Vuitton, Fendi, Dior, Moigna. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right, but let me know, please. One reason that 24S really appeals to me is not only do you have access to the luxury prestige brands like Dior, Loewe, Celine, Bottega Veneta, you also have access to a lot of the contemporary brands. So brands like Marc Jacobs and Nene Bing, Coach, By Far, a.p.c, Jacquemus, Camper. They really have something for everybody at different price points. They also have a Live from Paris section that shows all the current essentials that people in Paris are loving at the moment. Their current promo right now is tiered, so the more you spend, the more you save. So you can save between $100 to $300. There are different discount codes. I will put them in my description box for each different tier. I will also link the landing pages, so that way you don't need to search for this different products that are eligible. The page that I will link will show you all the different products that work with this current promo. Their customer service is available 24/7 in English, Korean, as well as Mandarin. They offer express shipping, and as always, returns are free. I will leave all the details down below for the current promo, as well as the products I'm going to show you. Definitely go check out 24S. Go check them out on their Instagram as well. Let's open it up. So the first one is from Coach. This is now the third Coach bag I think I have. You know I love Coach leather. It's amazing. I think for the price point too, it really can't be beat. They have been around forever, so they know what they're doing with leather. So this one is actually for my mom. It is so cute because you know I love a mini bag, even though I've been getting a lot of totes lately. It's either a big bag or it's going to be a little tiny bag. So this is based off the iconic Willow tote, but this is in the size 24. So this is the Willow tote 24, and it is in this beautiful, I almost want to say, I think it's the color denim, if I'm correct. Like I said, I will leave everything down below, but it is this beautiful kind of dark blue, and then it has dark blue handles. So now you can get a better idea of the color, but it is this beautiful dark blue, and then it has these navy accent handles there. That is the back. It is in the beautiful pebbled leather, so it does have that hardiness to it. It has that signature turn lock. I opened it up to take the wrapping off. There you go. And then that's the back, and look at the bottom. There are feet. Perfect. So now you don't need to worry about the bottom of your bag getting damaged when you put it anywhere. I love feet on bags. Oh, it is so cute. It is not too big, but it's not too small. It is like the perfect size, I feel like, to carry all of your essentials. So let's look at it a bit closer. Now, price point of this, before I forget, I have it here. It is 360 Canadian and 295 American. There is also white with like a cream with like a beige handle, which is stunning. I almost got that one for my mom, but then I thought, no, we're moving into fall. Let's get something a little bit more appropriate. But I do think you could use this fall, winter, spring too. Or you could wear it in the summer as well. And carry it in the crook of your arm too. But it also comes with a detachable strap, which you can wear over the shoulder or crossbody. My mom is very picky when it comes to handbags, and she's also not huge into luxury. She just loves a really well-made handbag. I bought her Coach Cassie, and she loves that one. Right now, she borrowed my Coach Tabby Messenger what size was it again? I can't remember. But my little Coach Tabby Messenger, she's borrowed that and she's been using it. But I know that she likes a handbag that can fit her full-size wallet. So this has 3 separate compartments, as you can kind of see from the top there. The first compartment you have to open with the turn lock, and it is fairly spacious. Let me see, I have my iPad here. Let's see if it fits in. So, whoops, there's something at the bottom of the gel pack. It fits in. I mean, it doesn't fit all the way in. You could definitely carry it. Will it fit sideways? Oh, it fits sideways. So there's an iPad in that first pocket. That is crazy. Woo! So first compartment here is pretty spacious. The second one is zippered. So this is where, and there's the authenticity, this is where you would put, I think, some items, maybe like your wallet, or if you're traveling, like your passports, anything that you want to keep more secure, I would put in the middle zippered compartment. And then the last compartment and the back is a magnetic closure, and it's pretty strong, I would say. Craftsmanship is everything that you would expect from a Coach bag. So the glazing, all the details, the hardware, everything about it, I love this. It's so cute. You know, I have my Saint Laurent little, is it like the micro? It's like a little tote bag like this, but this one's a little bit bigger, so it holds more. And I do like the fact that there are 3 separate compartments and one is zippered. So I think that this is so cute. It's just such a great price point too. There's not a lot of videos on YouTube about it. I don't know why. I feel like this needs to be more popular because it's just stunning. So this is the first handbag that I picked up, and like I said, this one works with the code. The second handbag is by a.p.c, and it's a little bit out of my comfort zone, a little bit different from my style, I think. I don't own anything from a.p.c. This is my first a.p.c bag. a.p.c is a French luxury brand, so it is a tote bag. Now this one is, you can sort of see it up close, it looks like leather, but it's not. This is from their, I think it's pronounced Ninon line, or Ninon line, but they have a line that is all vegan leather. So it looks like leather, it feels like leather, it's super soft. This faux leather product is partially crafted with recycled materials in order to reduce its environmental footprint. So the reason why I picked this one up is because of my totem, Belt Hobo. I thought the colors might match up. This one is a bit more warm and a bit more rich, I would say, but I've been loving this one, and I wanted to get something that was maybe a little bit more casual as well. There is a girl that I follow on TikTok, I think her name is Victoria, and she has this but in black. I was looking at the black originally, but I thought, I really like this color for the fall, and I really like how it goes with black. So I picked this one up. Let's open her up and see what is inside. So inside there is just one slip pocket in the back right there, as you can see, and then that's it. It's very soft, it's very smushy. I'll have to see what kind of fits in it and how it holds its shape. This one is the larger size. They do have a large as well as a smaller size. I opted for the larger size just because I thought if I did want to use this for work, or if I am running to the grocery store or anything like that, I think that this is a really nice size. I am pretty happy with it. I know because it has like the big branding here, I've been taking that minimalist approach, but I don't mind it so much. I think on the black you would see it a little bit more, but on this kind of caramel color, it's not as noticeable. So I really like it. It's very comfortable over the shoulder, but you could also carry it by hand or in the crook of your arm. The price point of this one, American, it's $248. So I mean, price is kind of similar between these two. I'm really happy with both handbags. I just think that this one is so stunning. It is perfect. It is not too big, not too small, can hold all your essentials. It is so cute. And the feet, oh, and for the price, I think it can't be beat. And if you can save extra money, whew. And then this one here, I think it's gonna be perfect for if I have returns to do or if I'm going to the grocery store. It's just a perfect errand bag, as you can kind of see, and it fits over top of bulky sweatshirts. It has a lot of the, like a long strap drop. So I'm happy with both of them. I will link them down below. Definitely go and check out 24S. Go and take advantage of this current promo. Like I said, all the details, the discount codes will be listed in my description box. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.